تهدينا وتنادينا للخير.
Assalamu alaikum. We just entered the month of Ramadan, which is the month of the Qur'an. In fact, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only mentions the word Ramadan once throughout the whole Qur'an, where He says, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, Shahru Ramadan alladhi unzila fihi al-Qur'an. That Ramadan is the month in which the Qur'an was sent down. Ramadan was paired with the Qur'an. The issue is a lot of people, they have a mindset of just doing a khatma, completing the Qur'an the whole Ramadan. That's good. But the whole point of the Qur'an is that it is to change our hearts and our minds and to manifest in our physical actions, and so that we can understand it and apply it in our lives. How can we do that if we don't understand the Qur'an? Don't make your biggest concern to just read as much of the Qur'an as possible. No, make your concern to understand what you're reciting. Abdullah ibn Abbas, he said a very beautiful statement. He said, اقرأوا القرآن وقفوا عند عجائبه وحركوا به القلوب ولا يكون هم أحدكم آخر الصورة. Read the Qur'an. Abdullah ibn Abbas radiallahu anhu, he said, and حركوا به القلوب, and make your heart attached to it. Make your heart contemplate it. Pause at the interesting parts of it. Ask yourself, what does this word mean? What does this verse mean? What is this surah talking about? And then what he said, radiallahu anhu, ولا يكون هم أحدكم آخر الصورة. Do not let the main concern of all of you when you read the Qur'an just trying to finish that surah, trying to do that khatma without understanding a single word. So my recommendation this Ramadan, advice I'm going to inshallah follow bi'idhnillah, is one, I'm going to read the Arabic, a verse, and then inshallah try and read the English translation so I can connect with it more. You can do that by going on Qur'an.com. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's a very good website. You can also download the Qur'anly app, as you guys can see here on the screen, and read verse by verse in Arabic and then English. And also you should listen to this tafsir of the Qur'an juz by juz, inshallah, on YouTube, so that when you read that portion of the Qur'an, at least you know what you're reading and what it is talking about, inshallah. Let us connect with the Qur'an this Ramadan, not to just recite it blindly without understanding it, so that He can manifest in our lives. And the final thing I will say is, remember, the Sahaba only had one book, and that was the Qur'an, and they were the best nation to walk the earth because they actually understood it and applied it, not just recited it nicely and didn't let it enter their hearts. Assalamu alaikum.